you make me float. Boy, you really keep me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. It's you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tamara Renaye. If you are new, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell to be notified whenever I upload a video. So in today's video, it is all about this makeup look that I did. I am so in love with it. The colors are so beautiful. I love how it turned out. I worked from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette with Morphe once again. I did tell you guys will be seeing more of it. But yeah, I love how it turned out. I will have everything in the description box below. And if anyone's wondering, this top, I will link it below so you guys can go check that out. And these earrings are from Azure. But enough talking. If you are interested in seeing how I got this entire look, then keep on watching.
Baby, you need a dose. I ain't quitting on the job. I be putting overtime in the most for you. We from the east side, but I got you on the west coast. Yeah, if I ever told you that I had better, yeah, you know I got jokes. And I'm always telling you how I feel. Go through my quotes. Yeah, I be writing down every single line. I be thinking about every single rhyme. When I'm with you, I can see the whole show. Oh, baby, I got a stroke. And I wanna give to you, but I don't want them to know. Stroke it, baby, stroke it, baby. Work it, baby, work it, baby. Stroke it. There is something I want you to use.
So my eyebrows are done. I couldn't talk because when it comes to doing my eyebrows, I really have to focus and concentrate, and it does take a long time. But moving on, now I'm going to apply my foundation. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. This is the only foundation that I use. This is in the shade Cappuccino.
You make me float. Boy, you really keep me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. It's you. You serve me on a regular.
Now I'm gonna go in with this NYX HD Studio Photogenic eyeshadow base. Recently purchased this and it's good. It's good.
Let's take this overboard. Let's take this overboard. I want you to
So my eyelids are prepped and ready to go, and I'm working from the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe Volume 2. I'm feeling to do something orangey, yellowy, goldeny. Not too sure, but we're gonna give it a try and see. So with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna apply Feeling Myself right in the crease area.
East side, but I got you on the West Coast. Yeah, if I ever told you that I had better, yeah, you know I got jokes. And I'm always said in your how I feel. Go through my quotes. Yeah, I be writing down every single line. I be thinking about every single rhyme. When I'm with you, I can see the whole show. Oh, baby, I got a stroke. And I wanna give to you, but I don't want them to know.
I honestly thought this orange was going to be a bit brighter. And I think it's the eyeshadow base. It's not looking as orange as I wanted it to be. It's looking like it's fading into like a pink. And I have a strong feeling it's probably because of the base. Like it goes on orange and then as it fades, as I'm fading it out, it looks pink. Okay, moving on. I'm going to apply this yellow called No Joke, and I'm going to apply that on my lids.
Stroke it, baby, stroke it, baby. Work it, baby, work it, baby. There is something I want you to use yourself. Never ever used it before. Never. My body. Explore it, baby.
Okay, so I feel this color is a bit too light. So I am going to darken it up just a tad bit. So I think I'm gonna go in with Living My Best, this color right here, and just apply that in the outer corners. Moving on, I'm gonna highlight, bake, set, all of that good stuff. You guys already know the deal, and everything will be in the description box, of course.
Let's take this overboard. Let's take this overboard. I want you to change positions. Baby, you need a dose. I ain't quitting on the job. I be putting overtime in the most for you. We from the east side, but I got you on the west coast. Yeah, if I ever told you that I had better, yeah, you know I got jokes. And I'm always said in your how I feel. Go through my quotes. Yeah, I be writing down every single line. I be thinking about every single rhyme. When I'm with you, I can see the whole show. Oh, baby, I got a stroke. And I wanna give to you, but I don't want them to know. Work it, baby, work it, baby. Change positions.
in with my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish powder in Dark Deep to set the rest of my face and let all of this blend in.
There is something I want you to use yourself. You never ever used it before. Never. My body. Explore it, baby. So sure. Yeah. Calling phone call.
For bronzing, contouring, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Sun Stalk'r in the shade Coco Naughty. So for blush, I'm going in with my absolute favorite Format from MAC.
You serve me on a regular. We need to try this road.
I'm going to take that darker reddish pink color that I use on the outer corner, and I'm going to drag that under my lash line.
I want you to
For my tear duct area, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Kilowatt, and it's the Mean Money and Hustler Baby one.
I ain't quitting on the job, I be putting overtime in the most for you. We from the east side, but I got you on the west coast. Yeah, if I ever told you that I had better, yeah, you know I got jokes. And I'm always telling you how I feel. Go through my quotes.
I love this setting spray so much. Oh my gosh, Morphe, you did it. With my e.l.f. liquid liner to create my wing.
And I wanna get to you, but I don't want them to know.
So off camera, I'm going to apply my lashes and apply some mascara on my bottom lashes, and I'll be right back. I'm just gonna apply some highlight, and this is the Ruby Kiss All Over Bronze Glow. It's my absolute favorite, actually. It's in the shade Deep Glow.
There is something I want you to use yourself.
So for my lips, I'm going in with my MAC Chestnut liner. Okay, so for gloss, I'm gonna go in with this MAC lip gloss, and I think it's in the color Fashion Punch. The sticker fell off, but I think it's Fashion Punch. right, you guys, so this is the final look. I love how everything turned out. It is such a beautiful look. I know earlier when I was doing the eyeshadow, I said that the colors weren't as vibrant as I wanted it to be, but I find that, you know, after allowing the color to set on my skin with my setting spray, Morphe, it allowed the color to pop, because it's now showing up a lot more, and I love how it's looking through the lashes. Like, oh, this is just so cute. As always, everything will be listed below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.